Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, you can walk in, look at it. Then you do Confu for some period, for some seconds. Look at what I am doing. Just charge yourself. And after that, you hit your leg, then you look up. After looking up, then you jump and bust something out. Then you jump up again. Then you do as if that your hand is paining you. All right? After that, you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on your video and locate volume. Click on volume now, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Locate where you want the video to start from. From here, click on it now, make a split. Delete the first part, we don't need it again. So now click on overlay guys, add overlay, then you import your rock to workspace, click on it, click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Let's locate the parts of the rock where we want to use. So from this part now, you are going to click and make a split. From here again, make another split, delete this last part, delete the first part as well, click it at the middle now, and go and look for freeze guys, look for freeze, locate freeze, then you freeze this part, click the first part and delete, click this other one and delete, then you click on it now and go and look for remove BG, click on remove BG, chroma key guys, then you drag it, mark on that good and go back, click it again, locate adjust, okay, go and look for adjust, click on adjust, HSL, locate it, click on it, mark on green, reduce saturation to 100%, mark on this good and go back. So at this point now, you turn the rock, look at what I did, just turn the rock and position it, all right? Then you locate where you hit your leg, locate that place where you hit your leg and drag it. Immediately, good, this place, then drag it. After that now, drag this rock down, remove it from the scene completely. After dragging it down now, click here, drag this place to the ending part of the video, make it align, then you come back now. Immediately you hit your leg, boom, then you click on it and add keyframe, then adjust it a bit, you drag the stone out. Immediately you adjust it small, drag the stone out and position it. After positioning it where you want it to be now, then you are going to move the video to the point where you jump up, all right? Position it, move the video to the point where you jump up. Immediately you jump up, you click on that green screen and make a split. Click on it and split it guys. So you split it now, then drag this stone, adjust it and position it to the point of your hand. After your necessary adjustment, take time and adjust it to the point of your hand. After that, you click on keyframe, add your keyframe now. After that, you add your keyframe, all right? After everything, add your keyframe. As you add your keyframe now, you adjust it a bit and drag the rock out. Drag it out, then we play it and see how it look, all right? Good. Let's just see what happens. Good. So at this point, come back now, click on this first part of the green screen rock, then you go and look for duplicate, okay? Locate duplicate, look for duplicate, duplicate it, click it and bring it to come and align with the first part. Then you click it now. As you click it, you come to the first key, all right? Review the rock small, review the rock small so that you see what you are doing. Then drag it out to this other part, drag it to the other side, drag it to this side, then you position it, make sure they are equal. Position it, work on it, make sure they are equal. After that, you go to the second key, then you drag it, make it align. Now drag it to the other side, drag it to the other side. After that now, then let's see how it look, okay? Good. So no, the other one is higher. Come back to the key, then you work on it so that the two rock will be equal. One should not be higher than the other one. Do your necessary adjustment. Both of them should be equal. Look at what I am doing. I'm making sure that they are equal, all right? After your necessary adjustment, making sure they are equal now. Look at how it's going to look. Good, this is nice now. Then you come, boom, no, click on this one now. We are going to be duplicating this one as well. So click on it, go and look for duplicate. All right, look for duplicate for the second part. Duplicate it, click it, make it to align with this one as well. Bring it back and make it to align. After that, now you come to the first key like we did to the other part. Come to the first key, click on the first key, then you drag it out. Drag it out to the other side. Look at drag it out. Just drag it out to this other side. As you drag it now, you make it align. Position it to the point of your hand. Then after positioning it, you come to the second key. All right, if you are done, come to the second key, then you drag it out from the other side completely. Yes, so at this point we are going to play it. Let's see what we have got. Good, just calm down. Let's see what we have got. Good. So at this point we are going to be marking out the unwanted part of the video. Now come back a little bit from here. Click the video now. From this point we are going to be making a split here. Make a split here. Click on this one, make a split. The last one, make a split. Delete the three of them because they are no useful to us again. After that, now you go and play the video from the beginning. But while you are playing the video, I'm sure and I know that this video is very ready. All right, what will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect as the case may be. After that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video, my number is there. Go and DM me, then I will put you through on how to add your necessary effects, and after that you can now export your video to your gallery. All right, now you click on export right here. Click on export now. Let us export it. All right, it's exporting. Just exercise patience. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, and don't forget, if you need that green screen rock, all right, you can DM us. I will send it to you. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.